Okay, today we're going to learn how to make kielbasa and hot dogs in the oven taste like what you have out on the grill. So what I got here is parchment paper on a pan. Here's your hot dogs. This is your kielbasa. And then we're going to put it in the oven on 365 for 45 minutes. On bake, not on broil, because if you put it on broil, it'll burn the outside and the inside won't be done. Take the hot dogs and the kielbasa, you put it in the oven. Set your timer for 45 minutes. We still have 38 minutes left on the timer, and this is how it looks so far. Being cooked. It's barely starting, the meat's starting to sweat a little. Still got 30 minutes to go. So they've been in here cooking for 15 minutes. See how they're starting to get brown? Okay, halfway through cooking, you want to flip them over. See how they're starting to get nice grilling marks. Now remember, this whole time, your oven is on bake, not broil. You just flip them over with a fork, just like that. See how they look. See a little brown there, brown there. You still got about 23 minutes to go. Now have about 6 minutes left on the cooking time for the kielbasa and the hot dog. See how nice and grill marks they got? Getting really done nice. And on this cooking show, if you notice, it's all about the food. All we show is how to cook food. Mostly bake it. Things that you think that you only need to fry, like kielbasa, hot dogs, eggs, all that stuff, I'll show you how to cook it, bake it in the oven, so you can feed it a whole bunch of people at once. And it tastes a lot better, I think, in the oven, because it's nice and grilled. The kielbasa and the hot dogs are, and they're nice and done in the middle too, and juicy. It's been 45 minutes. Timer's about to go off, and take it out of the oven. See how nice and toasty they look? Really nice. And if you want them done more than that, you can always leave them in longer. It depends on how dark you like your hot dog and your kielbasa. The more you leave them in, the nicer they look. And there is kielbasa and hot dogs baked at 365 for 45 minutes. I guarantee you'll love it. Always use parchment paper for easy cleanup. Have it in your cupboard at all times. Parchment paper comes in a roll, just like that. Get it? I use it on everything. So, happy baking.